Alright guys, so today we're going to check out this wireless charging station, which is a 3-in-1 foldable charger from Benks. And huge shout out to Benks for sending this over. I'm really excited to check this out and see what it have in store. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. But before we get into that, right here you can see it has strong magnet connection. And it's also sturdy and flexible, and this should be able to charge your AirPods, your Apple Watch on your iPhone. So I'll be testing all those out to see how it works, so stay tuned for that. So let's do a quick unboxing here. Let's tear this plastic off real quick. Nice and easy. This packaging really feels good already. Let's see. Open it from the bottom like that. And then let's slide out what is inside. And what else is there? So I believe this one is the white version. I believe they have different colors. I'll put it up on screen so you guys can see the color options. But yeah, that's the manual right there. But you guys know we don't read manual around here because this video that you're watching is the manual. We have a nice charging cable right here, USB-C to USB-C, really nice. And then we have the charger right here, which is a foldable charger right here itself. You can open it, slide it out of the bag, nice and easy. Wow, this feels really premium, guys. Wow, it's actually flexible. I can fold it out like that. I can do it like that. I can do it like that. And you can also pop out the Apple Watch charger right there. And right here you put your earpods, iPhone up there. Wow, this is actually good, guys. Like if I want, I could do it like this. Just have them on my decks like that. Or if I want, I could do it like this. I can really get crazy right here. Like I could do it like that. Wow, the options are just so endless with this now, guys. Wow, I really like this right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and power it up and see how it is. So let me plug this in real quick. So plug it in like that, nice and easy. And as you can see, it's powered up by seeing that blue LED indicator right there. And let's start off simple. Let's start off with the Apple Watch charger and see if it charges our Apple Watch. So I have the Apple Watch right here, and let's just slap it on like that. Boom, right away it is charging. And then let's move on to our AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Just put it right there. Boom, right away it's charging. And we can also do the AirPods Pro 2 and see if it charges AirPods Pro 2. And boom, right away it's charging the AirPods Pro 2. But I'm gonna leave my AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation because that's the one that I'm using mostly recently. So this right here is a MagSafe charger. I'm gonna slap on my iPhone now. And boom, right away it is charging, nice and easy. And I believe you can get that dock look right there, like the docking feature. There you go, the docking feature whenever it's in horizontal mode, really nice. You can always put it in vertical mode if you want. So you can just have this up, watch your YouTube videos, or you're on a FaceTime or something. You can just have it up on a mount while you are FaceTiming your friends or whatever. So yeah. Just one thing to note is that right here where the AirPods is, it's not magnetized, so it will slide off if you move it. But where the MagSafe is, if you put it on like that, it doesn't go anywhere. It is on nice and easy. And same with the Apple Watch charger, it doesn't go anywhere that easily, so you're good there. And I just love the flexibility of this. Like you don't want to use all that fancy stuff. You could just put your iPhone on it to charge just like that. Let's say you don't want to charge your AirPods or your Apple Watch and you just want to charge your iPhone, you can just charge your iPhone like that. Or let's say you don't want to charge your iPhone, you can just always just say, all right, I just want to charge my Apple Watch, just slap it on like that. And then let's say you don't want to charge none of that, you just want to charge your AirPods, you can just charge your AirPods alone, nice and easy. So the flexibility is just so endless right here. I really like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this charger right here. It's not the fastest charger, but you do get an output of have 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. So I guess it all depends on how many devices you have charging at the same time. So yeah, how the wattage is divided is that the iPhone can use either 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. And then the Apple Watch can only use like 3 watts or 5 watts. And then the EarPods can only use like 5 watts. So that's how they split up the wattage amongst these devices while you're charging. If you're looking for a wireless charger to like travel with, or a wireless charger that doesn't like take up too much space, I would definitely check out this wireless charger from Benks right here. It's really good. It's really premium. And this is something that I'll be using every day from now on. So please ask any questions down below in the comment section that you have about this 3-in-1 charger right here. Of course, I'll be using it, so I'll be able to answer all your questions. Like this video if this video was helpful. A link will be down below if you want to check out this wireless charger right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.